You see? Hata bado hajaweka mafuta.
So you can hire me. You can hire me to cook for you chapatis in case you have an occasion. Usishangae who will cook for me chapati, who will do everything.
Teri mkitumike. Kosa. Weka mafuta. Weka. Hi guys. Today we are cooking chapati. Welcome.
With this white lady and black one here. We are cooking chapati. We also have milk. Milk kama ndio tea. So welcome to today's vlog. This is how we do it here. Sasa siyo ndio kubwa. And then here we are. This is our first chapati. Yeah, and this is the milk.
But you have not had the
tea leaves. But then do you put
whatever majani
as we cook? I hope you are seeing us. Mmoja umesema hapa, if you come across or one of the viewers hapo, you are close to official Kiliza, mwambie amesema hapa.
Just tag him or her.
Tag him and tell him we are his fans.
Spices. Nasikia zinaitwa sijui cardamom, sijui caramel, sijui what. Unaweka zote, every type of spice, right?
Can you show them my chapati?
Don't know.
Ina nini inagongo?
Okay.
Sawa.
Si utasave na kitu. Majani? Nakupea? But I hope you can. Lift up your neck one.
Imagine I've told her to remove her husband down here.
She can't bitch.
You are told over there, we need to take these people to the court of law. We can't be talking about our height each and every time.
So you can hire me. You can hire me to cook for you chapatis in case you have an occasion.
See, anapaka mafuta.
This is how we do it here. Actually, this one is for a baby. This is not my house. So,
It's her house.
I have to be very keen of what I'm doing.
You see, guys.
Hire me.
Wow.
Hire me. I think majority also and all that. Nataka kadogo.
Acha mimi nimalizie.
Nikasukume ukitoa hiyo.
See, the tea also is ready.
Your boy here is also cooking chapati. This is how you shape it, by the way. If you have
You
never
see, by the way, it has a shape. See, yenye Wakikuyu wanameki. Let me make a fun.
Before you see the building, the team building imesema
Sura na mtu anabarikiwa tu mahali.
different.
Yes. Not
So this is the tea and my chapati over here. Sasa sijui nite I'm in Dosi's home. As I said, and actually she has a Christmas tree. Imagine, as early as now. Na hii yake aliweka August. August ndiye aliweka hii Christmas tree. Anyway, let me enjoy my tea in peace and see you.
You see, the utensils are very clean. You see, even the sink ameosha vizuri. The sufurias.
So much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. What do you think about this video? What do you think about the chapati, the tea, the cleaning of the utensils and everything? And also go watch my other videos in this channel. And yeah, it's a wrap. Bye bye.